Hey, and welcome back to our video. So today we're going to be drawing Godzilla Evolved from Godzilla X Kong the New Empire, and let's get into this. So with the 4B pencil, we're going to be starting with Godzilla's brow. So it's going to be like on the side here, and we're going to have part of his body going back. Okay, and my video got 219 hours, so that, yeah, that was good. Like my latest video has 219 hours, so, and that's 203 more than usual, so thanks for your support. So I'm going to start right here, and it's gonna come like that. Okay, and you might be hearing some stuff because it's raining outside right now, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to like make that a bit thicker. I might, because when I edit my videos brighter, they make the lines look not drawn hard. They make the lines look too bright, and that's not good. I want the lines to be dark. And yes, dark so you can see the lines. So now, make that other side. What in the world is that? So, I'm gonna need a different pencil maybe. And so, I can add like some stuff. So it's gonna like eventually come around like that. To zoom in a bit, so yeah, like that. And I'm going to, okay, whatever, so just a bit of an interruption. So now I'm just going to bring this down, and yeah, so just like that, it's gonna come down right here. It's gonna kind of be the same thing. And I like it 2024, they put these like spikes on Godzilla. On Godzilla's like snout. I like why they did that. So I'm gonna make that coming over there. You might not be able to hear that, but maybe the camera doesn't pick it up. It probably never does, so it probably won't pick that up. Well, it does pick up voices, I know that. And so, yeah, just look like that. We can add like, so add like these like things, like so they come up and then they like kind of disappear behind there. This one just kind of goes with that. So yeah, just like that. We're gonna add like this. So yeah, we're just gonna make these look like they're actually like spikes, not like just things sticking out. And so yeah, just like that. So yeah, like that. And now I'm going to add his mouth. And so it won't be like that opened. So it'll just be like something like that. Can I have the teeth? And just with a B pencil, we can add like a gum line. Yeah, so just gonna make it like that. And sometimes you might not want to add a gum line. Like sometimes it makes Godzilla kind of weird. Just to me, sometimes it looks like that. So yeah, his like really spiky back there. I don't know why Godzilla's like really spiky in this movie. Like I don't even know why he evolved to. Like why would he evolve? Does any of you watching this video probably wonder that? Because like I don't know why. Because everything was already too easy for him. So why would he have to evolve? I don't know why. And so yeah, of course we need teeth on this bottom layer too. Yeah, so that's looking good so far. And so what we're going to have, so like, guess we could like make that a bit closer. So yeah, just a bit more like that. We can add more spikes right here. So probably gonna need to draw that a bit harder because you're probably not gonna see that line if I edit it to be brighter. And so yeah, just like that. I'm going to, so yeah, it's just gonna be like that. And you basically can't really see his neck, but it like, so it's like kind of like that. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna guess where this goes now because I drew it too small. But I think it kind of like, maybe it goes like that. And yeah, but it already shows that his arm like comes right here too, so. Yeah, so I know his arm goes right there, but his neck is probably gonna go right there, whatever, we can make it up. You're probably not gonna see that. I only want to draw where you can see. So, just like that, you can skip that part. Okay, so now, yeah, just like that. Can I add some detail to that? And so, yeah, we can, yeah, so just like that, and add some spikes right there too. Also, should add some right here. What in the world? And also you can make them however you want. You don't have to make them like, so yeah, so they just go like kind of straight right there, I guess, like it comes out, and then more of these come. And yeah, and I guess this one is the last one. But these like, yeah, I'm gonna stop it right there. Yeah, we should like make that a bit more curved. Okay, so put more like that. Because we have so much space between like this and that. Probably have too much space. Oh, and here we only have this. Yeah. You don't just have to copy me. You can do whatever you want to your Godzilla picture. You don't have to like 100% copy. You can add stuff that you like to your own picture. You don't have to copy me fully. You don't have to fully copy me. So now just make these lines come in. Like that. Yeah, so it's turned out to be a good picture. I thought I wouldn't do well on this. Of course, we can't forget something like that. Yeah, I don't know if I should have had those. Yeah, that's better. And so it like goes up right there. No way. Come on, you're not letting me do that. So it's gonna like come up like that, maybe. Yeah, that's good. And yeah, so it's gonna be like that, and like it goes up like that, but it like isn't, it just goes around like that. So yeah, you can always add those details too. Yeah. So yeah, add some spikes kind of up here. This one kind of ends. And so yeah, like we have his arm too, like comes. Wait, I don't know where it comes. Like maybe it's just, maybe I can guess again. So maybe it comes right here. Yeah, that's where it should go. Add some of these details again. And whatever, so I've got that, and I've got all of that down there. So I think I'm gonna make it like that. Yeah, I will. Or we could just zoom out all the way and make it like that. No, I don't like it like that, so I guess I'll just do that. Yeah, I like that better. So, and we need some things up here. So it has stuff. And yeah, there's some sort of detail on them. And yeah, there's spikes up here too, so don't forget that. Like the spikes start about here, but it's kind of weird angle. Yeah, you can't see that. So yeah, the only thing is I want to make it a bit higher. Maybe a bit higher. Okay, I'm not doing this correctly. Look at it, your line before you start adding a bunch of details to that, because I don't do that. And I even forgot to finish this part. Okay, so just end it like that. And finally for the eye. So grab the B pencil and make it like that. No, not like that. Make it like that. No. Wait, no, wait. If I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna have to make all these lines thicker because I'm not gonna make him look cut mad. So I'm gonna make all those lines thicker too if I'm gonna do all that. If I'm gonna do that, I need to make all these thicker. Yeah, so maybe not that thick. You know, you can always do that. You thin out, then you can thin out some of those lines. But we need to thicken out like the general lines that would stand out. Yeah, so basically did that. We need to thicken out this one because it stands out. I don't know why my voice keeps like doing that, but okay, so yeah, I like how I drew that eye. That erase is actually part of the eye, so don't mind that. Yeah, that erase actually makes some detail and actually did that with the eye. So yeah, I like that. And so yeah, just like that. Wait, okay. I might have drawn the eye off camera. I might have forgot to unpause it. Wait, so yeah, that's how you draw the eye. Anyway, so guess it's gonna be like that. We can also add, you can add some extra details if you want to. So yeah, that is basically it. Yeah, I don't really know what else to add. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one on how to draw Godzilla Evolved from Godzilla X Kong, the New Empire, and see you in the next one.